Hey guys, and welcome on back to another Pokemon opening with me, Biggie. Today we got 4 Darkness Ablaze, and then this little blister pack that I picked up from my local Target featuring Unified Minds. There we go. Get that focus. I think we need to start off with Darkness Ablaze since we've been doing that recently, and then we'll move on and open that, see if those are any good. They are made by the Pokemon Company, so this is not a third party that you're risking it on. As we know, sometimes they can be a little interesting. Actually, let's wait on that one completely. Let's start off with these ones. There we go. Take a good look at that. Alright. A little code card. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards as always. Starting off with an energy. Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. Cumbustican. Staravia. Focus. Clink. Skitty. Pansage. I don't know why it's not trying to focus. Golett. Vanillite. Reverse Hollow Larvesta. And a regular old Lugia. Alright. It's not a good start, but it could always get better. Let's see. There's a code for you guys. As always, I don't use the codes. I don't post them anywhere else. They are strictly for you guys. Another little lightning energy. Furret. Yellhorn. Flaffy. Wishy-Washy. Pansage. There we go. Taurus. Oh, focus there. Diglett. Scovet. Enjoying life. Look at that. He's got all the berries. Reverse Hollow. Rookidee. Not bad. And Manectric. Alright. It's very interesting. That's for sure. I mean, we'll just leave it at that. Interesting. Another code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. Alright. Or I guess these might all be electric to start with. Alright. Solrock. Kaboo. Simisage. Marini. Torchic. That's very AR looking. That's pretty cool. Starly. Skarmory. Pansage. Reverse Hollow. Morlo. Alright, and alright, a Thievul. Man, I don't know what's going on today. Alright, let's see if this one is any better. I mean, I hope you guys get some good stuff out of these codes, at least. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's switch it up. Hopefully that also is a good sign. Lunatown. Struggle Gloves. That's where we are right now with the struggle. Cumbustican. Taurus. Rookidee. Galarian Mr. Mime. Electrike. Oh wait, nope, that's not Reverse Hollow. Oops. Dino. Reverse Hollow Hoopa. And Gramble. Wow, that was alright. But you know what? Actually, even then, here you guys deserve another code. Here's one for Sun and Moon, Forbidden Light. So have fun with that one. Let's move on to this one. See if Unified Minds gives us a little better of a pull. Alright. Let's see. Oh, does it say anything on the back? There's that booster pack. There's a code card. Enjoy that as well. There's our little Eevee. Very nice. Eevee's a wonderful Pokemon. And there's a little Espeon. Nice little bubble holographics. And there's our coin. So pretty soon I'm going to have just a ginormous stack of coins. Alright. Let's see if this is at least going to be a good one. I don't know. What do you guys think? There's that. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards as well. Alright, starting off. There we go. Magneton. Bibarel. Doublade. Honedge. Pikachu. Look at that, just dozing off in a magical land. Pidove. Poipole. Numel. Reverse Holo Tynamo. And Alright, this is not the best pull, but you know what? You guys deserve it. Here's another code for you guys. Enjoy that. And hopefully you guys find something cooler in your packs. Thank you, and see you guys next time.